This is the last time you guys are gonna see these Cosmos wheels. Let's take a good look at them. I'm actually gonna sell them right now. Someone's coming to pick them up. Same guy that bought my carbon hood, he's coming to pick up the wheels. I ordered some new wheels on Friday for the rears. They came in already. They came in literally 4 days later. Those wheels take about 2 months to usually get. I posted these up for sale right when those came in on Friday. Today's Monday, and they sold in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and then I'm gonna leave my car on jack stands. And then I'm not gonna have a car to use for like a whole week because I'm still trying to figure out the fronts. The wheels I wanna get are now discontinued, so they're out of stock everywhere. I'm gonna order some new tires today for the new wheels for the rears. This guy is lucky, man. Look at these tires. They're fresh. I just put these on. They probably have like 200 miles on them or 300 miles. And then these Mickey Thompsons probably have like 500, 800 miles. They're like pretty fresh too, and all these tires here, I just got them. I got those like a month ago, these like 2 months ago, but I barely driven my Z, and all these tires were 1,200 bucks. I'm trusting this guy with my life right now. I'm leaving him my clicker to my garage so he can take the wheels out and then leave me the money in here somewhere because I have to go to work now. All right, so these are the tires I went with. These are Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. These are the bias. There's two Street R's, and these are the only ones they make for the size wheels I got. I can run these or the ET Street SS, which were the ones that I had on my Cosmos wheels. Those are the only two tires that they make for my size wheels, and I'll show you guys here. So stoked on these. They look so good. Are you guys ready for this? Yep, we went with Beadlocks. I was gonna go with those other wheels that I posted on my other video, which were the Weld S71s, but I ended up going with the S71 Beadlocks. And I didn't do a 17 also, and the reason why is because my friend has these, the one I raced, the 350Z. You guys saw in the other video. He has these exact same wheels, and I tried them on right before I purchased my wheels because I wanted to try on some 15s and the 17s on the Z to see which one I like more. But the tires on the 17s were a little bit too skinny for my liking, and on the 15s it's like way wider, and it just looks really good and meaty, and just for the future too, whenever I make the Z faster and stuff, that way I don't have to run into grip issues or anything like that. I can run a lot of tire on these 15s here, and they just look really good. I was just gonna go with the S71s, the non-Beadlocks, but then the homie Julio and Angelo, the one that has these wheels, they both convinced me to just get Beadlocks. So I was like, all right, I'll do the Beadlocks. And I started looking more into them and looking at photos of cars with them on, and they just look so sick, so I had to get these. See these things in the sun. So nice. So stoked on these. I cannot wait to throw these on and see what they look like. With these huge ass tires in the back. Oh man, it's gonna be scary driving this thing with cops. They come with all the hardware here too. I think this is the center cap. I haven't opened this yet. Yep, that's the center cap. And then these right here, this is all the hardware for the Beadlocks that goes around right here. So the way you mount the tires on these wheels, I didn't know. So the tire actually goes right here, and then it goes over this lip, and then you put the Beadlock over it, and that's pretty much what holds the tire in place. And it's expensive to get tires mounted on these. 90 bucks to get tires mounted on these two wheels, and I usually pay like 60 bucks to get all 4 tires mounted on my other wheels, so because I have to torque down every single bolt by hand. I also got these lug nuts here. Mo actually recommended me these lug nuts. They're called shank lug nuts, I think, and they come with washers. You need to run some kind of lug nuts like this when you run 15s, so they just go in there. Boom, and then they just lock in. So the regular S71s without the Beadlocks, I think for the 15s, those were like around $650 each wheel. but then the Beadlocks are double. These are like 1100 plus a wheel. So, and then also shout out to Mo for getting me these wheels. So he actually ordered me these wheels on Monday. He texted me in the morning. He was like, hey, they only have 2 left in stock. And I rushed to the bank. I sent him the money right away. He placed the order, got them shipped out the same day, and then I got them in on Friday. So like 4 or 5 days later, I got them in. And these wheels usually take like 2 months to get these because they're never in stock. And I got super lucky that Mo was able to find me a pair that were in stock. So I was expecting to get these in by like May or something. If you guys need any parts from him, I'll tag his Instagram right here. So you guys can hit him up if you need anything. He gets me all of my parts, my tires, everything. Every time I order tires through him, they come in like the next day. I ordered these yesterday and they came in today. So super fast. And if you guys do hit him up for any parts, any make and model, let him know I sent you Little David, and he'll go ahead and take care of you guys. So you guys are good. All right, I'm gonna go get the tires mounted on these. We're gonna go to 714 Tires, and I'll see you guys there. Damn, look at this thing. This thing is sick. This is where all like the drift guys come, like, from what I know, 714 Tires. Damn, this thing is so sick. Look what we have here. The skateboard for the 10K subs giveaway came in, and this thing looks so good. Still fresh in the wrapper and everything. I'm gonna take it out of the wrapper though, because I kind of want to ride on it to whoever wins. What I really like is the detail in the back too. You can see the windmills in the back there from Palm Springs. You know, kind of represent home where I'm from. You guys can win this board here if you guys want it. You can hang it up on your wall. You can skate it. I really hope you don't skate it. I hope it's something that you can just keep and hang it on your wall and just keep it forever. Maybe I can see it in a couple of years and it'll be sick if you still have it. You can see me in there too. That's crazy. If you guys do want to win the skateboard, I'm gonna put the video link down in the description for the 10K subs giveaway. The instructions are in there. I pinned a comment on that video with instructions and how I'm gonna be choosing the winners. So update on this as well. I was gonna do 5 ride-alongs. I just got state refed again. I think I'm just gonna move it down to 3 ride-alongs, honestly. It's really hard to drive the Z out here right now. The cops are so strict, and like, if I'm next to a cop, 90% of the time, I'm gonna get pulled over just because my car is modified. I'm sorry. I wanted to do 5. If you are gonna enter the giveaway, I'm gonna do 3 ride-alongs in the Z. Wherever you guys want, we can go to the canyons, we can go anywhere, go get some food, I don't know, kick it. I wish I would've got one for myself, but I only got one. I guess it makes it a little bit more special for the winner, so they'll have one and I won't. Imagine it, just even in the garage. Oh man, that looks so nice under the light. All right, so the only thing is I can't put these wheels on yet. I could, but I don't want to damage the caliper. So when we test fitted these on, I'll show you guys. I think it was on this side. So you can't run Brembos with 15 because the barrel inside is too small. So you can see where it hit right there, and then right there. I'm sure you can probably shave some of this off, but I'm not sure if that's safe or not because they split in between right here. So I don't want to shave none of this, you know. I know people sometimes don't clear in the front and you can shave this, which is fine shaving this, but like as for the back, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna get base brakes for the rear, which is fine because on these wheels, honestly, you can't really see the caliper. It's like hidden, so tucked in the wheel that you can barely see this. So fat. They're so big. To be continued with the wheels. I'm sorry I didn't mount these for you guys, but we'll go ahead and do that as soon as I change out these brakes in the rear. That way we can get a better look of the car and I can drop it off the jack stands and everything. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos, liking and commenting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.